In the early days of chromatography, purification was hands-on and complicated. Small variations could mean different results, lost time, or a lost sample. As recombinant proteins and early biologics emerged, the pressure grew for higher yields, tighter control, less time at the bench, and results you could actually reproduce. Automation in liquid chromatography systems changed the game. Fewer manual steps, more consistent gradients, and workflows you could trust, run after run, at any scale. Unicorn Software, Cytiva's versatile control software for chromatography systems, answered the challenge, bringing method control, system operation, and data handling into one environment. It made routine work smoother, training simpler, and results easier to repeat, so teams could stay focused on their work. Science was moving rapidly, but speed brought a new bottleneck: complexity. More methods, more parameters, more data, and more people who needed to run the same process the same way, without slowing down to manage the system. Through the decades that followed, the challenge became volume, and Unicorn Software evolved to keep pace. It enabled screening and scouting dozens of samples in overnight runs, and comparing results without drowning in printouts and files. Teams could scale up production of new biologic drugs like monoclonal antibodies with confidence that they would be safe for patients. Then, documentation became part of the science. Electronic records, audit trails, permissions, validation. Because if you can't prove what happened, you can't scale what works. Unicorn Software kept evolving, following the needs of researchers, manufacturing engineers, and regulators. Today, expectations are even higher for better usability, connectivity, cybersecurity, and seamless integration with modern automation. Unicorn Software continues to evolve alongside chromatography to meet your needs. Science is accelerating, and we'll help you get ready for what's next.